This video is about lovebird feeding habit. Mainly, lovebird needs two types of feed. Number one is different types of seed mixture, and the second one is soft food. In this video, I am gonna talk about the nutrition value of different types of seed mix in lovebird feed. As a lovebird feed, we use proso millet, foxtail millet, canary seed, paddy seed, and also safflower seed. Here I wanna show you a chart to prepare 1 kilograms of feed for lovebird. To prepare 1 kilograms of lovebird feed, you have to mix up 500 grams of proso millet, 150 grams of sunflower seed, 200 grams of paddy seed, 50 grams of foxtail millet seed, 50 grams of canary seed, and 50 grams of safflower seed. This seed mixture is a proper diet for lovebird. Now let's talk about the nutrition value of different types of seed in lovebird feed. As a feed for lovebird, the most common item is proso millet. This proso millet contains 72% of carbohydrate, 12% of protein, and 5% of fat. This item also contains some mineral like calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, potassium, and sodium, and also zinc. This should also supply some vitamin on their body. As a vitamin, proso millet contains vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin K. The second important item which mix on lovebird feed is sunflower seed. In sunflower seed, the ratio of carbohydrate is 20%. The protein contain about 21%, and the main part of this seed is fat. It contains about 50% of fat, and this fat should help your bird to get warmer on the time of winter, and it also help different types of works on their daily life. The third item I want to discuss about this is paddy. Paddy seed contains 71% of carbohydrate, which is very essential for their regular work. The second item which contain in this paddy seed is protein. It contains 13% of protein, 2% of fat, and 12% of fiber. This fiber is actually very important for bird body because it should help the bird to release the different types of nutrient slowly. So this fiber is very helpful for the digestive system. This item also contains some mineral like calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, zinc, copper, and manganese. This paddy seed have also two types of vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin B. Now let's talk about the canary seed. Canary seed contain a high carbohydrate which is in form of starch. About 60% of starch is contained on this item. This item also contain 8% of fiber, 8% of fat, 22% of protein. The next item which is randomly used in lovebird feed is safflower seed. This item contains 50% of fat, which is also very essential for the bird body when the weather is cold. This item also contains 12% of carbohydrate and 32% of protein. And the protein ratio on this item is really high, which is helpful to build up their body and grow them faster in younger age. The next item and the last item I want to discuss about is foxtail millet. Foxtail millet contains 12% of protein, 4% of fat, 63% of carbohydrate, and 8% of fiber. This fiber is also very helpful for the bird body. And this foxtail millet is a good source of calcium and iron. So I think all of this item is essential and necessary for your bird. If you are able to provide them all of those seed mix, then you can get a good result and a good breeding from your lovebird. If you want to get more information about lovebird feeding habit and lovebird caring, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get new video notification quickly. Thanks for watching the full video.